Have you ever finished a sketch, you hit E for extrude, and now it won't preview, it won't do anything, it's not working? Let's figure out all the different ways we can troubleshoot this in Fusion. Going back to the sketch, I notice the profile is checked. If it's not, go ahead and check that in your sketch palette. If you don't see a light blue profile happening, you've got a problem. So for example, if we put a rectangle here, we have this nice light blue profile. If I hit extrude, that's probably going to work just fine. So E for extrude, and there, that one's working. Okay, so Fusion still knows how to do an extrude. There's something wrong with this sketch. When you double click, it will take and select the entire perimeter of your sketch. And if it stops, there might be some extra lines in there. But in this case, we've probably got some lines that aren't connected, or they look like they are, but they're not. So my favorite technique for finding a missing profile or where the profile is closed, my favorite technique for finding the problem is the line technique. I like to draw a couple sketch lines across my model, something like that. And you can do it at an angle, you can do flat, but the profile that's light blue shows you all of this is fine. It's all working, it's all going to solve. Over here is the problem. So if we drag our line, you can see that it's helping us see somewhere over on the left corner, there's a problem. So as we zoom in, you can see that those aren't connected. You can try to drag it to connect to that endpoint. That will work. The best behavior is if you can select both points and choose coincident. For sure, that will lock them together. And now that profile is closed and we're good to go. So that's one of the problems you're probably bumping into with your extrude. It's worth noting one little bonus here. You don't have to close your profiles. It's just going to give you a very different style of extrude. So in this case, I actually want to extrude this. That's fine. It's called a thin extrude in Fusion. And you go over to your type and choose thin and then choose the profile. It's going to add thickness to the lines, kind of like we're doing with sheet metal and other types of designs, but it does add thickness to it, which is pretty cool that you don't have to close the profile. Another challenge you might bump into when you're trying to extrude everything, it does need to all be solid. So in this case, I do have a construction line here, so I can either sketch a new line or I can hit X on the keyboard, and that will make it a solid line again. And now that profile is showing up, so we can extrude it. Another thing to be aware of, if you look at this and it looks like a closed profile, you may even try the line trick and nothing seems to be working, just make sure that the 3D sketch was not turned on. Go up to your isometric view and look at it at an angle. You can see that this was a 3D sketch. It's not all done on one plane, so the extrude is no longer going to work the same. So this really is something you want to turn off unless you're absolutely working with a 3D sketch. One other culprit, when you hit extrude and you have a sketch here and the profile looks okay, you do the arrow, it's not working. The warning says it's not visible. Please toggle visibility, meaning the bodies folder is turned off and it can't be seen, so it won't let you show you anything to extrude. Make sure this is turned on, and now you can come in and do your extrude. Very similarly, sometimes you'll want to reuse a sketch, or you want to do an extrude with a sketch. And if you don't have the visibility turned on, you won't be able to extrude it. So just make sure the sketches are turned on. The sketch you care about, select that, make sure that the visibility is on. Now you can extrude that sketch. Hey, if you're trying to learn Fusion, I've got a huge resource library that's free, a bunch of cheat sheets, videos, and things like that. Check that out in the link in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video.